Hello my beautiful crafty friends, I am Katia with Lunar Sun Creations and I have a new paper collection that I would like to share with you. This is another one using my acrylic paint pours. So I've taken sections of my fluid art and turned them into a beautiful paper collection. So it's very kind of peacock inspired colors, a lot of blues, a lot of purples, greens, teals. This one I think is really cool. These were some of the ones that I made trying out different transparent ways of making paint skins. So I used some tar gel and some different pastes and everything. I have a video, I'll post that in the upper right hand corner so you can check that out afterwards. So some of these are from that whole session. I think there is 32 in all. This collection is available in my Etsy shop right now. So you can go check it out with a little bit more detail. Now we're getting into some of the bright blues. I really loved how this particular pour came out. This one is from that same pour. And then some cool cells in this one. I love the swirl that happened with this one. This was really cool. That was my first attempt at a cloud pour. So then I've also got 2 sheets of quotes. This is a whole birthday sheet, and then this one is a little bit more about self-affirmation and love you quotes and stuff like that. And then I've got this page of cut aparts. These little circles I think would be really cool for either using as swing tabs, or you could turn them into jewelry. And I mean, we've got a couple that you could turn into really cool bookmarks, and these could be perfect for use on cards and such. And then I've made 4 pages of perfectly sized rectangles for cards, and they've also got a border. So all you have to do is cut these out, slap one of the, sentiments on there, bada bing, bada boom, you got yourself a card. These are sized perfectly for 5.5 by 4.25 inch cards, and they will give you just a tiny bit of a border. So I'm really excited to use some of these. But today I'm going to focus on the papers and not the card part of it. So let me show you what it is I am going to do. So over the years of creating all of the albums that I've created, I have amassed a mountain of page designs. Because whenever I do a tutorial, I do it once as I kind of write it all down and figure it out. Then I do it a second time when I'm taking photos of everything, and then I do it a third time so that I can video the entire process. And this is a very small amount. I have a couple bins of these. So my goal is to start using my own paper collections and use up some of those page designs. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to choose a couple and we're going to get going. Okay, so I decided to use a couple pages from the Vagabond collection, and I've made it into a 1-inch spine folio. The cover is 10 by 10. So this is one of the pieces from the collection. I've used some purple vinyl and then quadruple matted a sticker, and these were some other stickers that were in my collection. The back is just simple like that. Okay, and then when you open it up, so it's just this cover and this cover. So there's no pages on the inside attached to the spine. It's just a simple, it's just a 2-page folio. Okay, so over here, this lifts up and there's a pocket. I don't have anything in the pockets quite yet. And then over here, this opens up and down. There's more of the pattern paper on the insides of these. Okay, and then this swivels around and magnetizes, and this opens up, and then you've got this part which opens, and opens again. And I just left this blank because I wanted there to be lots of spots to actually put photos in case you didn't want to cover up the paper. And then this opens to the side, and then this whole thing opens up to the side, and then this is another large pocket, and again I have to put some stuff in the pockets. Okay, so that's that page, and then over here goes up, and then this whole thing pulls down. It's gonna be hard to keep in frame, but each one of these is a pocket. Okay, and that all folds back up like that, and then this lifts up, and then the entire thing goes to the side, and then this goes to the side, and then these both go to the side as well. All right, so it's just two page designs, so they're both from the Vagabond album. And I know a lot of people are going to ask if there is a tutorial for this. The tutorial is the Vagabond tutorial, so you'll have to go to my Etsy shop to get that tutorial. I'm just wanting to use up a whole bunch of those page designs, like I said, because I have a cajillion of them. This paper collection is also available in my Etsy shop, so I hope you'll check it out. And I'm going to do another one of these albums using different page designs and using all of the green tones. That was all the blues and the purples, so now I'm going to use all the kind of greens and the deeper blues and the aquas and stuff like that in a different one. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that you don't have to use every single page design in an album. You can split it up and make it into a whole bunch of little ones like this. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this. In my next video, I'm going to be creating a bunch of cards using these and all of the sentiments that I printed out that are included in the paper collection. So look out for that. And I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful day, and I will see you again very soon. Please hit that like button down below and give a little boop to the subscribe as well. I really, really appreciate it. And sending you huge hugs. Bye!